In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Glide. First, go to Glide and sign into your account so your work is saved and synced. From the dashboard, click New App. Here you can choose to start from a blank project or select a CRM template. A template gives you a pre-built structure you can modify, while a blank app offers full control from the ground up. Pick the option that fits your comfort level, then click. Create app to open your new workspace. Next, look at the left sidebar and click the Add button. This is where you'll set up your main screen. Choose Screen from Data, then select a template that suits contact management. Give this screen a clear name. Type Contacts. Using a straightforward name makes your navigation intuitive and helps you stay organized as your app grows. Now, add the essential columns your CRM will use. Create columns for name, email, and phone. Think of columns as the fields that will store information for every contact. The name column should capture the person's full name so you can search and sort easily. The email column keeps a valid email address for outreach and is best kept in a consistent format. The phone column stores a number in a standard format, so it's readable and useful across devices. Keep your column names simple and consistent. Clear labels prevent confusion later when you build lists, filters, or forms. If multiple people will maintain this CRM, agree on a format, like how names are written or whether phone numbers include a country code, so your data stays clean. With your structure in place, head to the top right corner and click Publish to launch the CRM app. Publishing creates a live version that you can open right away. If you continue refining the app, you can publish again to push updates. A quick tip: before sharing widely, double-check your columns and screen name so everything appears as intended. That's the core workflow. Go to Glide, sign in, create a new app, pick blank or a CRM template to see, set up your contact screen from data, add the name, email, and phone columns, and publish when you're ready. With this foundation, you have a functional CRM that you can expand later as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.